Hey, what's up guys? So, after many years of trying to get my hands on a Spectre Elite and finding one online, I was finally able to pick one up here on eBay. It's a, oh, it just beeped. It's also, oh, there it goes, I guess. We just get somebody? Maybe. I've been noticing just in the first 5-10 minutes or so that I've been driving with it, it does randomly go off like that. Sometimes it happens kind of in the middle of nowhere, so I don't know if it's falsing, I don't know if it's picking somebody up. I literally just unboxed it yesterday, put it into my windshield this morning, and we're driving around with it. But yeah, I've been wanting a Spectre Elite to do some additional testing in addition to the Spectre 3. I've done a ton of discussion of how like maybe the 3 is a little bit more sensitive, but the Elite is the newer one, so ideally I'd like to test with both without having to borrow. There's only a limited number, and so I was finally able to pick one up, and we're up and running just to kind of see how it works. So assuming this guy's working properly, I'm not getting any more like weird falsing issues and stuff. I was actually seeing the very first time I powered it on, it was just falsing like crazy even in my office, but after 30 seconds or so, that went away like that. So I have no idea, is that this guy, a Tesla? I don't know what these random alerts are, so I'm hoping it's working properly. It's just, again, literally new equipment that I just popped on the windshield and I'm testing out now, so we'll have to see how well it works. But assuming everything is working well, all my future Spectre testing that I haven't already completed, I'm going to be able to do with the Spectre 3 and the Spectre Elite, which is awesome. I always love getting as many data points as possible, as many Spectre copies and all that kind of stuff, right? So, oh, something else to mention, I've got all my detectors turned off here in my car. If I plug in the R4 real quick, you'll see the Spectre Elite's going to start going crazy. And obviously that's not a fair comparison to have a detector that's like a foot away. That's not really how it's designed to be used. I have tested some other detectors where you can do this without alerting the Spectre, but the R4, at least from this distance, not that that's any sort of realistic distance at all, the R4 is detectable by the Spectre Elite. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up. I've got this on hand. I guess also a big thing for us, our baby today, Thursday, is officially 37 weeks, so officially full term and awesome. So that's been a big relief. Again, I have no idea when he's going to be born. Once he's born, I'm going to have to stop all my videos and everything. So that's coming up. But in the meantime, busy getting a lot of last minute stuff done and getting new equipment ready as it's available and stuff. But anyway, yeah, Spectre Elite has arrived, taking it for a quick test spin, and guess that's it for now. So awesome. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are doing great, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.